Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the A chord on a ukulele. This will be an easy tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. The A chord is one of the easiest chords that you can learn how to play on your ukulele because it only involves playing two strings with frets being held down, and the other two strings are ringing openly. So you only need two fingers, really easy to get your fingers in the right position. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get right into the video. I'll show you my method, and you can obviously alter it to fit your own style. So let's get right into this. So you're only going to be working with the top two strings, okay? So you can see, try and get your ukulele in tune, okay? And once you get it in tune, you're going to be working with the top two strings. What you're going to do is take your third finger, or your middle finger, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to bring it to the top string, and it's going to go on the second fret. So my middle finger right here is going on the top string, second fret right over there, okay? Pressing down nice and firmly, giving it a nice curved approach so it doesn't interfere with the strings below it. And then I'm going to take my index finger, and I'm putting it on the second string from the top on the first fret right there. So essentially, I just have these two fingers. My third finger is on the second fret on the top string, and my index finger is on the first fret on the second string from the top. That's it. Literally, make sure you have a nice curved approach so the strings can ring out and play that A chord. Just like that. Okay? You should hear all of the strings playing. If you can hear all those strings playing individually, when you strum, it's going to be perfect. And that's it. That is literally how to play the A chord on a ukulele. It's been an easy tutorial. I'll show you exactly how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.